For new users, after signing up and verifying your account, log in to your Call Agent AI dashboard. Once you're logged in, the Setup Wizard will automatically appear and guide you through creating your AI assistant. Simply click Get Started to begin the setup process. Select the Call Agent AI plus Zoho CRM option and click Continue. Choose your industry to customize your assistant with the most relevant features. This selection will also determine the pre-configured assistant prompt, giving your AI a starting point tailored to your industry. Don't worry, you'll always have the option to fully customize the prompt later if you want. On the Customize Your Agent page, under Basic Configuration, you can set up your AI call agent's identity, voice, and behavior. First, fill in the following details: agent's name, company/business name. Specify whether your agent will handle inbound or outbound calls. Select your preferred AI model. Choose your preferred voice model. These settings will help define how your AI assistant interacts with callers. Now, scroll down to the Agent First Greeting section. Here, enter the opening message your assistant will say when answering a call. This greeting will be the first thing callers hear, so make it clear and welcoming. Then, scroll down to the Agent Script section. This section generates a pre-configured AI prompt based on the industry you selected. You can always customize the AI prompt later to fit your specific requirements. If you already have a script for your AI assistant, you can either replace the sample script with yours or copy and paste parts of it into the existing script. Click on the Save Configuration button to finalize your prompt.